Bonjour, my little culinary explorers. Today we embark on a most magnific journey. Not to the grocery store. Oh, no, 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 no. We are diving into something much more important. The secret ingredient to true success in the kitchen. Ah, look at all the ingredients. So fresh, so lovely. But something is missing, no? Something you won't find in any shop or recipe book. It's not the sugar, not the butter, not even the perfect pinch of salt. It is passion. Without it, my friend, any recipe will taste, how you say, meh. You see, cooking is like dancing. You must move with joy, laugh when you spill the flour, and love every little step. Otherwise, it's just boring instructions. The secret ingredient is not in the flour or butter, it's in the heart. When you put love into your dish, your souffle will rise higher, your cakes will be sweeter, and your soup will warm the soul. Et voila! When you cook with passion, my friends, every dish is a masterpiece. Taste? You feel that? It's the love, isn't it? Remember, my little chef, you don't need a fancy kitchen or expensive ingredients to make something delicious. You just need a dash of excitement, a sprinkle of fun, and a big scoop of passion. Maybe a bit of help from some penguins, we? Until next time, remember the best recipe for success is cooking with joy in your heart. Au revoir!